Imagine stepping into a coffee shop where the symphony of subtle sounds creates an atmosphere like no other. The gentle clinking of ceramic cups, the soft whoosh of the espresso machine, and the rhythmic chatter of patrons weave into a melody of daily life. This intricate soundscape offers more than just background noise. It forms a comforting embrace, transporting you to a realm of comfort and creativity. Here, ideas brew as richly as the coffee itself. Whether for personal reflection or social interaction, the tingling ambiance of a coffee shop fosters productivity and relaxation. Next time you sip your coffee, pause to appreciate the enriching serenade around you.